Hello!
Hello, this is Insta Forex TV Business News Channel. I'm Anna Kasatkina.
And I'm Olga Vitkovskaya.
You're watching the analysis of Forex and equities market for the last week.
How did the currencies behave last week, Anna?
On Friday, the American dollar slightly weakened versus the euro and also descended from a 29-month high versus the Japanese yen.
What do you think caused these dynamics?
Favorable statistics from the US labor market. The euro cost $1.30.82, having up moved from the level of $1.30.08 recorded before the data release, and from the Thursday close of $1.30.53. Weekly, the euro lost 1% of its price. In December, 155,000 jobs appeared in the US economy. The reading fell behind the analytical predictions. At the same time, the unemployment rate remained at 7.8%. In the meantime, the traders were purchasing the greenback after the publication of the Federal Reserve last meeting minutes. Thus, the central bank considers closing the asset buying program this year. Still, a high jobless rate threw away the doubts that the program will be closed in the nearest future. Moreover, the US dollar grew versus the Japanese yen as the Japanese markets were open after a long holiday. The dollar cost 88.13 yen. This level was last seen in July of 2010. On Thursday, the greenback traded at 87.26 yen. Weekly, it added 2.5%, which is the maximum 5-day increment since November of 2011. Recently, the American currency has been strengthening versus the yen amid anticipations of the Japan's authorities to widen the monetary stimulations in order to weaken the yen rate. This is all about the Forex market trends.
Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome, Olga. How did the events of the last week influence the stock market?
The American stock market demonstrated a vital growth last week.
Could you specify the reason?
The increasing trend was promoted by the agreement regarding the situation in the American Congress and a continuing rise in the employment rate. The shares of Alcoa became the leaders of growth among other Dow Jones components. According to the results of the session on Friday, the shares added 2.1%. Traditionally, the season of the corporate reports is started by Alcoa. The aluminium giant has revealed the data for the fourth quarter on Tuesday. Aside from that, the shares of Eli Lilly gained 3.7% when the pharmaceutical company informed about an expected profit surge in 2013. Eli also confirmed its intention to pay the dividend in the earlier set or even higher amount. That's all I have about the stock market.
Thank you, Olga.
You're welcome, Anna.
This was a weekly review of the currency and stock markets on Insta Forex TV News Channel.
Presented to you by Olga Vitkovskaya
and Anna Kasatkina.
Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Goodbye.